Ready to potentially unlock the secrets to maximizing your crypto earnings with Coinbase Plus Plus. While Coinbase Plus Plus is hypothetical, let's explore how its potential features could theoretically amplify your returns. As if it were real first, imagine exclusive staking opportunities. Hypothetically, Plus Plus members might access higher staking rewards on various cryptocurrencies, boosting your passive income stream significantly. Next up, enhanced referral bonuses. Picture this: substantially increased referral rewards, incentivizing you to bring more people to the Coinbase ecosystem. Now let's get into high-yield investment pools. Access to investment pools with potentially higher returns, diversifying your holdings for maximum gains. Consider advanced trading tools. Envision automated trading bots that execute strategic trades on your behalf, capitalizing on market movements automatically. But what about customer support? Picture instant assistance from dedicated customer support, resolving account issues and transaction delays faster than ever before. But before you dive in, remember, due diligence is key. Always research and manage risks effectively, as high-yield opportunities come with potential downsides. Stay tuned as crypto platforms evolve, potentially bringing concepts like Plus Plus closer to reality.